These questions look simple, but the sequence can easily confuse you. Can you solve this question and answer me in comment? Question is, arrange the following events occurring in renin-angiotensin mechanism in the correct order. Events are given here and the options are here. Let's first understand the juxtaglomerular apparatus. Bachcho, it is a specialized structure in nephrons and it is located where the distal convoluted tubule come in close contact with the afferent glomerular arteriole of the same nephron. So बच्चों जब distal convoluted tubules की cells afferent arteriole के contact में आती हैं तो this cells become specialized and become compact together. These are known as macular denser cells and in the same way, afferent arterioles की जो cells है वो भी specialize हो जाती हैं and they form the juxtaglomerular cells. This juxtaglomerular cells release renin. Both the macula densa and juxtaglomerular cells together constitute the juxtaglomerular apparatus. बच्चों juxtaglomerular apparatus helps regulate the blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. How it do? Let's see. Whenever there is a decrease in glomerular blood flow or glomerular blood pressure or glomerular filtration rate, it activates the juxtaglomerular cells to release the renin. Renin converts the angiotensinogen which is present in blood into the angiotensin 1, then angiotensin 1 converted into angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 activate the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone and the aldosterone then increase the reabsorption of sodium and water from the distal part of tubule. As a result, there is an increase in blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. This whole mechanism is known as renin-angiotensin mechanism. So, bachcho, here the option number 4 is correct. Fall in glomerular filtration rate. E. Renin convert angiotensinogen into angiotensin 2 followed by angiotensin 2. D. Vasoconstriction by angiotensin 2 and release of aldosterone. B. Reabsorption of sodium and water from the distal part of tubule due to aldosterone. And then A. Increase in blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. Don't memorize the sequence, bachcho. Just follow the cause and effect chain.